The Western Union error code C777 can occur due to various reasons, often related to transaction processing issues or account-related concerns. Here are steps that might help resolve this issue. Check transaction details. Review the transaction details, ensuring all information, including recipient details and payment information, is accurate. Wait and retry. Sometimes the error might be temporary. Wait for a while and try initiating the transaction again later. Clear browser cache. If using Western Union's online platform, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can interfere with transactions. Try using a different browser or device as well. Contact customer support. Reach out to Western Union's customer support. They can provide insights into the specific reason behind error code C777 and guide you through troubleshooting steps. Account verification. Ensure your Western Union account is verified and doesn't have any limitations or pending verifications that might be causing the error. Check for service disruptions. Sometimes service disruptions or maintenance on Western Union's end can cause transaction errors. Check for any service notifications or updates on their website or contact customer support for information. Address possible account issues. If the error persists, verify your account information and check for any restrictions or issues that might be affecting your ability to complete transactions.